Hello there, good afternoon to everyone on YouTube. So I wanted to, I'm new to YouTube. My first video for doing like auto parts and cars. So today, this afternoon I'm working on a BMW. I'm gonna be changing out the wipers. So I'm gonna be changing the passenger side and the driver's side, which I already did. I was gonna tell you to remove this tab so you can remove the wiper. So this goes like this. One thing you're gonna do is you're gonna lift it up, you're gonna go under, you're gonna see these two tabs, you're gonna feel them. What you do is you're gonna press against it, this one right here on top, you're gonna squeeze down, and once you feel that squeeze, you pull up, and it's gonna just pop up like this, and you pull off. Once you do that, you lift this up, you twist this, push it out. So that little cylinder right there, you're gonna put in that board right there, pop it in place, twist 45, put it down, and before you do anything of cleaning, remove this seal, this gray seal here, just pull it off, and that's it. And when you pop it back in, you're gonna hear a pop right here. That's it. Now it's locked in place. Now you can do the other side, and that's it. All right, thank you guys. I'll see you soon in the next video.